Hello, it's your boy Ricky FX here. You're in Vibes. Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. So today, we're just doing an analysis on National 100, which is we did one yesterday, and we predicted all this movement right here that happened during the day. So we are expecting Nasdaq to give us another new higher high, and whilst the market pushes up, we're gonna try to figure out where to enter and when not to enter into the market currently. So if you are trading right now, Nasdaq is Nasdaq has been pushing up, it has been bullish, right? So there might be some bears there and there, but the overall movement for Nasdaq 100 is bullish. All right. So you can be looking for sales in a bullish momentum market. So we are gonna look for what? For buys. So in this case, we have two of our higher highs. All right, one high high and one high low. All right, so for us to identify our next target, we're gonna identify it by using our previous high, which was when National 100 reaches the highest high of all time. All right, so now we are currently looking at that highest high as well. As you can see, the market is currently in a range. All right, so we do expect the market to give us a buy movement to the highest high. Then after that, we might have a push up going further up, all right, to create our new king high. Okay, so as a trader, how did we identify this movement yesterday and how did we see it in the signal group? We identified it as liquid that has to be collected from the buy side liquidity. We just to have another confirmation from our equal lows, which gave us a double bottom, and from there, from the neckline going upward. So this is pure price action. All right. Then if you dive into fair value gaps, then you will notice that there was a gap open. All right. So it gave us change of character. All right. After the break of structure, there was change of character. Then the market gave us a what? An upside liquidity. Very easy and simple. All right. This is a 2-hour time frame. If you go to a 4-hour time frame, you'll definitely see the market pushing up properly. All right. But now a 2-hour time frame is mainly because we use 2-hour, 1 hour, and 30 minutes going down further to 15 and 5. Mainly because SA brokers are much faster. All right. When it comes to National 100, all right, the National 100 is not the same as the one that you get from offshore brokers. Offshore brokers, National 100 is a bit slow, all right? But this one, if you use local brokers, South African brokers, you will notice that National 100 US, almost every indices they have, including gold as well, they move different, they make a lot of money, but they are also quite risky as well. If you don't know what you're doing, you might lose your capital trading National 100 in US30. So this is not for the weak. This is actually for someone who is mastered forex trading and scalping. All right. So yes, sir. So this is what you're gonna look at for your daily analysis. Go to daily and you see that the market is currently on a bullish momentum. So we're gonna go one day. All right, so this is what we have on a daily. As you can see, the market is still bullish. All right, so if you sell here, you must be a little bit cautious. All right, you must know when to enter and when to exit the market. All right, so on the daily, we see the bullish market. We're expecting to go for a highest high. So if you go to 4-hour time frame, you will see the market is currently on a bullish momentum as well. All right, and we currently have some liquidity that was left out from the top. Okay, but as you can see right here on our liquidity, so our previous high low, you see that this was almost collected. All right, so we expect the market to collect the previous liquidity, which is our high, going up further. All right, so as a trader, you are gonna be looking for entry point at this level. Let me see if I can get it right. The entry points are going to be it's level 17592 or 17593.1. Going further, then you can look for your entry point. If not, if the market fails to pass that point, then you know the market is gonna might give us some sell momentum or some sell movements. All right. But currently you need to look for buy opportunities. Okay. So do what works. All right. So this is easy when you analyze it. All right. Don't just go into the market just because you've seen a bullish candlestick and stuff like that. Obviously, you're gonna blow. You're gonna blow. You get me? So if you're trading with local brokers, then you know, okay, sharp. All right, you need to scalp, and once you scalp, get us a sniper entry and maybe hold it. If you can't hold it, exit and re-enter again. Maybe exit, withdraw, and re-enter. Much easier that way. So you always have capital. Then if you're a newbie and you're watching this, like this is a bit deeper. All right, I would advise for you to trade National 100 as a newbie using South African brokers, especially local brokers. You will lose your capital if you don't know what you're doing. Remember, the market is two sides. Some people get lucky and they make money from it. Some people don't get lucky as much as some people do, but the market is dangerous, all right? The market is dangerous. There's only two sides. You just have to identify the correct one of the market. Buy or you sell it. That's it. All right. A lot of vibes. We'll be dropping more videos like this. So feel free to watch, like, share. Also press the notification button for more content like this if I upload. All right. Shout out. Yes, sir.